In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your phone number from Yahoo Mail, and we'll do it in just 3 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred internet browser. In the address bar, type in yahoo.com and hit enter to navigate to Yahoo's home page. Once you're there, take a look at the upper right corner of the page where you should see the Sign In button. Click on it to proceed to the Sign In page. Now that you're on the Sign In page, you'll need to enter your Yahoo username, which is typically the email address linked to your account. Go ahead and type in your username and click the Next button to continue. The page will then prompt you to enter your Yahoo Mail password. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive, so double-check to ensure that your caps lock is turned off unless it's a required part of your password. After you've successfully entered your password, click Next again, and you should now be logged into your Yahoo account. The next step is to navigate to the Yahoo account security page. To do this, look for your profile icon or your name, which you'll find in the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account Info or Account Security. Once you're on the Account Security page, scroll down until you see the section labeled Verification Methods. This part of the page lists the various methods Yahoo uses to verify your identity, which include phone numbers and email addresses. In this section, you'll want to focus on the part titled Recovery Phone Numbers. These are the numbers that Yahoo keeps on file in case you need to recover your account. Find the phone number you'd like to remove from the list. Right next to this number, you'll see an option to remove. Click on this link to start the process. Yahoo will then walk you through some on-screen prompts to confirm that you truly want to remove the number. This step is crucial to ensure that any changes made to your account are authorized and secure. Follow these prompts carefully, and you may be asked to verify your identity again. This might involve receiving a code sent to another recovery method, such as a secondary email or phone number. And just like that, your phone number has been successfully removed from your Yahoo account. It's a straightforward process, but it's essential to stay proactive in managing your account, especially if you change phone numbers or stop using a particular line. Keeping your account information up to date is a key part of maintaining security. And don't worry, if you need to add a new phone number in the future, you can always do so. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.